In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set task reminders in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a task, choose when you want to be reminded, and make sure Outlook nudges you at the right moment so nothing slips through the cracks. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Depending on your version, you'll find the task area labeled either Tasks or To Do. Both take you to the same place conceptually, a list of things you want to remember and act on. Go ahead and open that section so you can see your task list. Next, create a new task by selecting New Task. This opens a fresh task window where you'll set everything up. Start by entering a clear subject. Think of this as the task name you'll recognize later at a glance. Use something specific, like Submit Expense Report, rather than something vague. If you need to capture extra details, the large body area is there for notes, links, or quick checklists, but the subject is what will stand out in your list and in reminders. Now set the start date and the due date. The start date is when you want to begin working, and the due date is your deadline. If it's a single deadline without a lead-in, you can leave the start date as today or set only a due date. If the task needs runway, pick a start date that gives you time and a due date that reflects the final cutoff. These dates help Outlook display and sort the task appropriately. To make sure you actually get a nudge, check the reminder option. When you turn this on, choose the exact date and time you want Outlook to alert you. A good practice is to set the reminder before the due date, maybe a few hours or a day earlier, so you have time to act. Pick a time when you're usually at your desk, so you'll see the notification right away. When you're happy with the details, click Save and Close. That's it. The task is now on your list, and the reminder is scheduled. At the scheduled time, you'll